ALL is a very complex disorder, and what is less known is how the events are accumulating in the blood or in the bone marrow. And for understanding this, there were studies that were either in Guthrie cards, so in the blood spots that are taken diagnosis in the peripheral blood of children, which is the only source of neonatal DNA, where you can look whether the fusion that has been detected at diagnosis of leukemia can be backtracked and detected to show whether it was already present at birth. And this has been done in the past, and we also contributed to this and demonstrated that the first event for leukemia, in most of the cases for acute lymphoblastic leukemia, is already there at birth. That doesn't mean that it's inherited by the parents. The parents are negative for the translocation that has been detected. So it occurs in utero during the pregnancy. And then this is not sufficient to get the leukemia. That's also important, because only 1% of children with this fusion, which is common in leukemia, only 1% of them will get the leukemia. So the approximate rate is 1% for having positivity and 1% of the 1% to get the leukemia. And studies on twins were also very important to understand what is prenatal and what is postnatal. Because if in case of monozygotic monochorionic twins, if one is diagnosed with leukemia, the chance that the other one could get leukemia is about 10%. And so in the unfortunate case that also the second one getting leukemia, they are called concordant twins with ALL. And in the concordant twins, you can check whether the lesions are exactly the same or they are different. What is identical is prenatal, what is different is postnatal. And that was the assumption and what we found in the concordant twins. Even more important is for discordant twins, because of course for the parents in particular, and having positivity for a lesion which is associated to leukemia is a worry. But that it's only a matter of counseling for the potential, for the possibility to get in cancer. That doesn't mean that those twins, those discordant twins, will get leukemia in all the cases. So it's very important to monitor the healthy twin, and this has been done not in our hands, but by colleagues, and this demonstrates that having the first fusion is not sufficient to get the leukemia. And important is also that there is nothing to do for preventing leukemia. Unfortunately, we don't know what is causing leukemia, and this is a lacking information for the parents with discordant twins. Yeah.